A good wood glue is not only extremely strong, but also manageable and simple to work with. It should be forgiving enough to let you properly position your surfaces without binding too quickly, and any unwanted residue should come off relatively easily. There are many products available to choose best wood glue, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any farther delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Titebond 1413 Ultimate Wood Glue. No matter what project you work on, Titebond Ultimate Wood Glue is sure to provide unbeatable results. It's the most comprehensive wood glue offered by the well-regarded brand, offering strong initial tack and a stronger overall bond. The manufacturer claims that this product is waterproof, making it ideal for outdoor applications. Plus, you can clean it up with water, unlike other waterproof wood glues. The Titebond Ultimate Wood Glue offers an open assembly time of up to 10 minutes, and you can apply it in temperatures as low as 47 degrees. It dries down to a light brown color, and wood finishes don't affect it. This wood glue is even FDA approved for indirect food contact, making it safe to use in the kitchen. You can buy it in a variety of container sizes, ranging from 8 ounces up to 1 gallon. But it seems thinner than other wood glues, so be careful when applying it. Number 2. Elmer's Carpenter's Wood Glue. For small projects, Elmer's Carpenter's Wood Glue is an inexpensive option for furniture repair and general household use. You can use it on soft and hard woods, particle board, and other porous materials, and it sets quickly. You can easily clean it up with water. When Elmer's wood glue dries, it turns a yellow color that may displease some, but you can paint or stain it to achieve the look you want. This wood glue is only suitable for indoor projects, but it's a good inexpensive choice for those who don't do much woodworking. Number 3. Gorilla Ultimate Waterproof Wood Glue. If you work on an outdoor project requiring strong bonds, select a product such as Gorilla Ultimate Wood Glue, which, according to the manufacturer, is rated ANSI Type 1 water resistant. Once dry, this wood glue can withstand exposure to water, sun, and extreme temperatures, making it a top choice for outdoor applications. It's incredibly strong and durable, and the glue dries down to a natural color you can sand or paint as needed. You can apply it in temperatures as low as 50 degrees, and it cleans up easily with water. Plus, it can bond materials besides wood, including plastic, metal, ceramic, rubber, leather, and more. The only downside is you have to keep the bottle's nozzle clean during use, otherwise, it clogs easily. Number 4. Loctite PL Premium Polyurethane Construction Adhesive. For construction applications where you need to bond wood to another material, one of your best choices is Loctite PL Premium Polyurethane Construction Adhesive. This glue bonds to virtually any construction material, including wood, brick, concrete, metal, granite, and more, and it creates a bond 3 times stronger than traditional adhesives. The polyurethane formula resists water and weather. This type of glue is often used when installing subfloors and construction joints, and the 10-ounce jars are designed to be used via a caulking gun, making it easy to apply. The glue has a fairly long open assembly time, up to 20 minutes, but it does need to be clamped for 24 hours for best results. Number 5. Surebender WS12-4 Wood Hot Glue Sticks. For craft projects or other applications where you don't necessarily need a crazy strong bond, the Surebender Wood Hot Glue Sticks are a convenient option. These 4-inch hot glue sticks have 7/16-inch diameters, and you can use them in high or low temperature glue guns. The sticks come in packs of 12, and they're specially formulated for use on wood, providing a better bond than regular hot glue. All you have to do to use the hot glue is load them into a hot glue gun and press the trigger. The gun melts the glue to the perfect temperature for bonding, and you then can apply it right to your project. Work fairly quickly, as the glue sets fast. It dries to a natural tan color that blends in with your project. While the glue isn't as strong as traditional wood glue, its easy application makes it a useful tool for drafters and enthusiasts.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.